Ever find yourself needing to swap SIM cards but feeling a bit nervous about poking around inside your iPhone? Today, we'll demystify the process of safely removing your SIM card, ensuring a smooth transition whether you're switching carriers or devices. First, locate your SIM eject tool. It came with your iPhone, or a small paperclip will also work. Now, find the SIM card tray on your iPhone. Its location varies slightly depending on your model. Look for a tiny hole on the side, usually on the right side or bottom. Gently insert the SIM eject tool or straighten paperclip into the hole. Apply a small amount of pressure until the SIM tray pops out slightly. Don't force it. Once the tray is partially ejected, carefully pull it out the rest of the way with your fingers. Observe the SIM card's position in the tray. Notice the notch on one corner. This helps you reinsert it correctly later. Gently remove the SIM card from the tray. Avoid touching the gold contacts on the SIM card. Store your SIM card in a safe place if you're not immediately reinserting it. To reinsert the SIM card, align the notch on the SIM card with the notch in the tray, and carefully place the SIM card back into the tray. Finally, slide the SIM tray back into your iPhone until it clicks into place. Your iPhone should now recognize the SIM card. If it doesn't, restart your device and that's it. You've successfully removed and reinserted your iPhone SIM card. Remember to handle your SIM card with care to avoid damage.